right, Dina. So what are we going to talk about today?
Let's talk about how a DUI impacts your car accident case.
That's a good question. So how does it impact your car accident case?
Well, a DUI allows you, under the law, to plead something called punitive damages. Well, you can't just plead it when you first file the claim, but you can ask the court to allow you to claim punitive damages. And punitive damages is something like punishment money for particular acts that are the law deems egregious. And in a DUI case, you typically do get to plead punitive damages. Have you had it happen?
Yeah, I've had a few of those cases where, DUI was involved, and it's a game changer because even though the insurance policy doesn't cover the punitive component of the case, that's the individual who caused the accident, they're responsible for the punitive damages. It does put pressure on the insurance company to kind of settle the case within the policy limits because they don't want to leave their insured out to drive. And really, what's punitive for one person is different than what might be for another person. So, what might punish me may be $1,000, whereas what may punish a billionaire is, $100 million. So it's specific to the person who did the punitive act.
It also opens up some discovery for you as well, whereas you typically are not entitled to financial discovery. When you have a punitive damage claim, you certainly are entitled to some financial discovery, which is certainly helpful.
Yep, and then the case is usually bifurcated between whether you're entitled to punitives and then what the punitives are. So there are some procedural differences in a punitive damages case, and they can be more valuable because of the punishment element of the case.
Absolutely, because that's not available in most cases. Some additional line on the verdict form for what I will say punishment money, which is called punitive damages.